Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain one of the commands in Solidworks, that is the split line command. The split line command is used to split the faces into multiple regions based on the sketches you have selected, and it is also used to project your sketch onto the particular faces. Okay, let's get into the video. And so here I have drawn a joystick using the Solidworks command, and I just want to create the numbers onto these 4 buttons. So first I'm going to create a plane. So I'm going to select this top plane here, and then I'm going to increase this offset distance. And now it's fine, and I'm going to give a check mark to it. And now I'm going to create a new sketch on this newly created plane. And here I am going to draw the numbers using the text command. For example, let me type some value of 1, and here I am going to uncheck this use document font option and select the font, and here I am going to enter a value of 25 and then click on OK. And now I am going to adjust this a little bit. So by the same way I am going to create the other numbers also. So let me skip this stage. So now I have successfully created all the numbers in my sketch. So I'm going to exit the sketch. So now I'm going to project these sketches onto these faces. So I'm going to select the features tab, and here the curves drop down list I'm going to select the split line option. And first type I'm going to explain is the projection type. Select the projection, and here it asks me to select the sketch. So I'm going to select this sketch. Let me select this sketch 11, and in the faces option I'm going to select these 4 buttons. Holding down the control key, select all the faces of the buttons and then give a check mark to it. And now my sketches are successfully projected onto the faces, and I'm going to differentiate this one by adding some colors to it. First select this face, and I'm going to apply some white color to it. And then I'm going to select all the numbers on my buttons. So this is the use of the projection in split line command. So it is used to project your sketch onto the faces you have selected. And the next type I'm going to explain is the silhoutee type. So here I have drawn some sphere, and I'm going to select the split line, and here I'm going to select the silhoutee. And here I'm going to select any plane. For example, let me select the front plane, and in the faces I'm going to select this face and then give a check mark to it. And now you see that my sphere is divided into 2 equal halves based on the reference plane which I have selected. So let me edit this one, and here let me enter some angle. So let me enter an angle of 45 degree and then give a check mark on it. And here you notice that there is not an angle created. So it is offsetted at a distance of 45 from the plane which I have selected. And if I select the reverse direction option, you can reverse it onto the other direction. For explaining the intersection, I'm going to draw 2 cylindrical surfaces intersecting at each other, and I'm going to create a curve on this intersection. For that I'm going to use the split line curve. And here I'm going to select the first face, and before that let me select this intersection option and select the first face and then the second face. And now you notice that the yellow color indicates the split line curve which is created at the intersection of the 2 cylindrical surfaces. And then give a check mark to it. So with the use of the curve, you can create a swept boss and create a swept cut, or else use the boundary box command. And that's it for the video. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.